Hi there, and welcome to INDO Property Hub, the hub for Indonesian real estate. In this video, we will walk you through setting up subscriptions, which will allow you to then create property listings or services ads. From the home page, click the login button and complete the login process. In this example, we will use a services account. However, the process is nearly identical for properties accounts, the only difference being the available subscriptions. Once logged in, you will be on the My Account page. Look down to My Subscriptions and click it. This section shows you active subscriptions, and as you can see, this account currently has an active professional subscription. Having multiple subscriptions is supported by our platform, so we will go ahead and set up a new subscription. To do this, click the Add New button, and the next page will show the available options. In this case, we have two options for services accounts, with features listed with each option. For those setting up a property subscription, here are the options you have to choose from. For this example, we will select the professional subscription option. Click the Buy Now button on the subscription you want. You will then be taken to the shopping cart. If you're happy with items and prices in your cart, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Complete billing details and select payment method. Right now we have GoPay available, and several other payment options are coming soon. Select your preferred payment method and click the Pay Now button. A pop-up window will appear specific to your chosen payment method. Follow the prompts to complete payment. Back in the My Subscriptions tab, clicking on the eyeball icon on the subscription will take you to order details. This will confirm everything is active. And that's it, very quick and easy. Stay tuned for the next videos where we walk you through the process for creating property listings and services ads. Until then, have an amazing day.